Hi friends, this is Umarani coming back to you. I've been telling you all this time about how we have to structure the article and how at the statistics we have to apply. Now I am coming to a very important aspect. This is about journals. How we have to select the journals. All the details I'll be giving you. Okay. So to begin with, now what is meant by UGC journal? You should know. Actually, UGC is very concerned that researchers so has to submit their articles in quality journals, because many of the time we are being cheated by predatory journals. So to make the people write in quality journals, to maintain the quality, UGC has come out with list of journals. Okay, so if you go to the website itself, you just can type UGC CARE listed journal, UGC CARE listed journal, CARE, CARE. CARE means it is Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics. Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics is called as CARE. So if you go type in the website, you will go get that website where they have listed lot of journals. So the UGC has classified the journals into two parts. One is called as Group 1 journal, another one is called as Group 2 journal. In the case of Group 1, it will be given here UGC CARE journal, CARE, CARE journal. Here, these journals are called as listed journals, quality journals only you can publish here. They will test your plagiarism, and if it is really original only, they will then publish in this journal. Here, if I want to test, somebody is saying this is a UGC CARE journal you publish, blindly don't accept. You go to the website UGC CARE listed journal, there they will give you all the details, how many journals are listed. If it has been removed, they will give from 2020 these journals are removed, then don't publish in this. You cannot be cheated if you are very clever enough to check in the website itself. So here the impact factor for UGC CARE is I don't think they will have. If it has also, it will be very less. But in the initial stage, when we are conducting conferences and when you as a starter, we can apply for these UGC journals. Similarly, we can motivate our students to write the journals in UGC CARE listed journal. Okay, and then comes Group 2. Group 2 is highly rated journals. They are impact journals, we say. I will tell you all the meanings later. In this we have SCI journals, Scopus journal, Web of Science journal, MLA, Modern Language Association journals. Here the cost is very high. Just reverse to UGC CARE. The cost will be very high, minimum 11,000, 10,000, 15,000, like that you have to pay, and the impact factor also is very high here. So I will tell you what is SCI means, Science Citation Index Journal. Elsewhere is a publisher and he is publishing in Scopus journal. Elsewhere is a publisher who is publishing Scopus journal. Web of Science is a website. Here you can only subscribe and then you can have the look at the journal. All about this, subscription and open access, I will tell you later on. Just to have a look at this PPT where I given you the details. So UGC have listed the journals in two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. So UGC CARE listed journal means Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics. Here you can go to the website itself, Google, and if you search for this you will get the website, and here the cost of publication is less and there is no impact factor, otherwise very less impact factor will be there, and they will give you all the list of journals that is removed and that is added. Please check in this website UGC CARE listed journal. Then comes Group 2. Here you have SCI journal, Scopus journal, Web of Science journal, MLA, Modern Language Association. The cost of publishing is very high here. The impact factor also is very high. These are all the listed journals. SCI means Science Citation Index. They are having all the leading journals with very high quality. Elsewhere is a publisher and they are owning the Scopus journals, which has very more high database, and their criteria is little relaxed. but Web of Science is a website and they are subscribing, and after that only the data can be accessed, and here there is a citation is very high, and you can also look at this Web of Science journal. So as I told you, so we must look whether this journal is listed. Please be very clear whether the journal is listed. I can go through the website, and if I type in the Scopus, it will say it is not listed. Small spelling difference will be there, like how Godrej, Godrej, instead of Godrej, Godr will be removed. Like that, one word will be removed from the international journal. So very careful about that and find out whether the journal is there or whether it is removed. Second thing is, so that is what we call it as listed journal. Second, whether there is impact factor, we have to see, and then after that we can go and select and then publish in that journal. Please be very careful in selecting the journal. Thank you. Meet you again.